جمال الوجود بذكر الإله وتصفو الحياة بنور هدى. جمال الوجود بذكر الإله وتصفو الحياة بنور هدى. وتطلب نفس له طاعة ويبلغ سعد إلى منتهى.
Look at these kids, how chuffed they are, because they are no longer down in the abyss of ignorance, but up in the sky of knowledge, experiencing new ways of religious education with their playmates inside an actual classroom. It was the humble efforts by an organization of scholars from the southern end of the country that lifted them out of their insecure environment into the world of colorful books and excellent learning methods. Yes, Hadia, the Alumni Association of Darul Huda Islamic University, is paving the way of restoration for countless Muslim villages of northern India whose very existence is under threat. The main objective of the National Education Project of Hadia is to establish madrasa education similar to that of Kerala in the Muslim villages of the north, which don't have access even to primary religious education. Launched in 2012, the project is now accredited with 785 elementary madrasas in 8 states. Through Darul Huda campuses outside Kerala, Hadia is planning to initiate an educational rejuvenation in those respective states. National Education Project, which has brought about a new spring of knowledge in northern India over the past 9 years, is now moving ahead with lots of institutions in the states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand, Kashmir and Uttar Pradesh. These madrasas are the North Indian edition of over 10,000 madrasas run by Samasta Kerala Islamada Vidyabhyasa Board. Now, the 785 Hadia model schools across India accommodate 35,152 students and 1,097 teachers. The curriculum for these schools covers the subjects of Quran, Tajweed, Aqidah, Fiqh, Akhlaq and Tarikh. For practical purposes, the textbooks published by Samasta have been prepared in their local languages of Urdu, Assamese and Bangla. 250 of these Hadia model schools were accredited by Samasta Kerala Islamada Vidyabhyasa Board in 2019, while hundreds of the rest are on their way to accreditation. Hadia is keen to ensure the quality of model schools with modern educational innovations. Teachers who make classrooms enjoyable for the new generation have also been playing a big role in this effort. Organizing range meetings and teacher training programs at regular intervals can help make learning more effective. The model schools are also centers of regular training programs conducted for students, parents, women, and the general public. The annual art competitions are a golden opportunity for students to develop their knowledge and creativity. A number of educators are constantly working to ensure the quality of Hadia model schools and to bring about changes from time to time. There are 41 range coordinators, 5 academic coordinators, and 8 program managers to oversee the operation of the 46 ranges. There are 9 regional offices to coordinate activities in different states. In addition to the model schools, the Model Mahal project, which aims at the complete reform of the villages, is also in progress. Institutions like Cordoba Institute in Kishanganj, Bihar, are the hallmarks of Hadia activists in the field of modern education. All these great activities across the country are skillfully managed by Hadia Center for Social Excellence headquartered in Panakkad. In addition to the National Education Project, CSE is active in the field of social renaissance through Book Plus, Himaya courses, Hadia On-Web Academy, Media Line and various other training programs. There are thousands of Muslim villages in different parts of the country looking forward to being rescued one day from the grip of intolerable hardships. Many more institutions are still needed to enrich them socially and religiously. Hadia is on its way from the small number of 785 to that big goal. Needless to say, the National Education Project, which imparts Islamic lessons to tens of thousands of children, is costing millions. It's a religious obligation to lift our helpless brothers out of this black void. Through the Ta'awun Sponsor a Child campaign launched in 2020, Hadia is seeking public participation in this historic initiative. You could donate to this project a portion of the bounties bestowed upon you by the Lord of the Universe. In the next phase, Hadia is aiming to undertake 1,000 more villages and thereby send 50,000 children to madrasas. If you can donate 500 rupees towards one child's education for a year, or 5,000 rupees for sponsoring 10 children, or 20,000 rupees for the cost of a whole model school, it will definitely be a great help to this project. Let this project reach your friends and family. For more information, you can contact 9197 444 7755. We can save millions of Muslim brothers and sisters if we join our hands together. Our energy is the hope that a nation will finally be resurrected through these efforts and donations.
Allah, Allah, Allahu, la ilaha illahu. Allah, Allah, Allahu, la ilaha illahu. Allah, Allah, Allah.